Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a comparison, detailed review kind of thing of the Uberflex hose versus the Flexzilla hose. Now in past videos I do recommend both of these. The Flexzilla is a little bit more expensive, but some people want that nice bright green versus the Uberflex, which is blue. However, I have mentioned that they're very similar, and in the comments I've gotten some people that say they're not the same. They're different hoses, they're just not the same. So I wanted to debunk this. All right, hey guys, make sure you wait till the end of today's video. We're going to be announcing the winner of the cat pressure washer giveaway and give you guys an explanation of exactly what you're getting with both of these hoses. Now, I do have an Uberflex here in 50 feet, and then I have a Flexzilla in the 25 foot, but it's the same exact construction as the 50 footer. So it was just, I prefer the Uberflex personally because it's cheaper, and I didn't want to spend the $65 for the 50 foot hose from the Flexzilla, so I went with the cheaper option, which was 30 something bucks for the 25 footer. Now, both hoses are absolutely amazing. Okay, they both have an M22 by 14 millimeter fitting. So that fits all your big box stores, Ryobi's, Craftsman's, things like that. Those pressure washers, it's a direct fit. If you have a different pressure washer that has an M22 by 15 millimeter connection point, like an active pressure washer or the cat pressure washer, you're gonna need an adapter. I'll link that down below, but it's a little adapter. It's an M22 by 15 that goes onto the pressure washer, and then it reduces down to an M22 14, so you can plug this in and you won't get any leaks. The reason I like these Uberflex hoses so much is they are coated, so they're like non-stick. As you can see, they don't grab onto anything. Okay, super good hose. They are not cumbersome, they're super flexible, and they do not kink. So, like, I love these things so much. They're really fantastic hoses. Now, as a professional car detailer, you can get higher end hoses, like more industrial grade hoses. However, when I'm using a pressure washer, I'm typically operating between 1100 to 1500 PSI. This is rated to 38, let's see here, rated to 3100 PSI. So it's more than enough. It's way more than enough. Now, the more industrial ones, if you're using a gas pressure washer, yeah, go with the more industrial one. They'll be rated to 4000, 5000 PSI. This, however, up to 3100 PSI, you're covered. They're cheap. They work amazing. They are more flexible than the industrial grade ones, and they're just fantastic hoses. All right, so I did a little research on the old internet, and I came to find that Flexzilla, the company, the parent company is Legacy Brands. Now they also make a bunch of they make all different types of hoses, like for garden hoses, air hoses, all that kind of stuff. They also make air hose reels, and water garden hose reels, all that kind of good stuff. And they are located in Iowa, okay? So, doing some of my research on that, I also do research on the Uberflex, which is made by a company called ProPulse, which is a company owned, the parent company on that one is called Schaefer Co. Now, they are also located in Iowa, so I'm thinking, is it the same company? But they are located in different cities of Iowa, so I couldn't find anything saying that they're the same company. The price variance, the price discrepancy between these two also make me think that they're not the same company. But it got me thinking, like, they seem super similar in construction, and they both have patent numbers on them. So I'm like, okay, both of them have their patents. How does this work? Well, I went and did a little more research. So the patent number on the Uberflex hose is right here, 9046201, and that patent is owned by Schaefer Co. So, their patent. Now, the Uberflex, or sorry, the Flexzilla on the Amazon listing when I was looking at it had a patent pending number on it. So I was like, okay, I don't know. I looked it up. I couldn't find any information on it on USPTO.gov. Couldn't find any info on it. So I ordered it, and come to find out, it says US patent. So their patent got issued, or whatever the patent pending is no longer pending. They have a patent on this, but the interesting thing is patent number 9046201, the same patent as Schaefer. So guys, Uberflex makes this hose. It's the exact same construction. It's their patent. It's theirs. Now, Flexzilla does have a trademark and I think another patent on the color. It's called Zilla Green. So that is where they kind of get their own thing going, differentiating. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop on my computer real quick and I'll show you guys this exact patent number. Again, 9046201. I don't know if I can see that. That is listed on this Flexzilla hose. I'm gonna jump the computer and show you that, and it just makes sense, guys, that Flexzilla is branding, ProPulse is a gigantic company that makes hoses exclusively. Flexzilla is more of the consumer-based brand. They make a whole range of consumer-based products for different hose applications, and they are probably buying their hose wholesale through ProPulse or Schiffer. But regardless, what you need to know here, same hose, same construction. Hop in the computer real quick, I'll show you guys that patent, and then yeah, that should help. So again, the only difference is color. If you're gonna get a Ryobi, it's nice, the Flexzilla matches it really well. Other than that, the Uberflex is cheaper, but they do sell out of stock on Amazon. But again, they're based in the US and they get them back in stock pretty quickly. So just keep that in mind. Also, one other thing is this little 35-foot hose here from Black Max, you can get this at Walmart, also is Uberflex. So it should have, I don't know if it's, yeah, same patent number, 9046201. So obviously Black Max is just sourcing their material and hose from ProPulse as well. Now, this one actually does say Uberflex by ProPulse. So, but this is a great little option, 35 bucks. You can get it at Walmart. It's also 35 bucks for a 35-foot hose, so it's $1 a foot, which is similar in price to the Uberflex. The Uberflex you can actually get under, if you go with the 50-foot, you can get it under $1 a foot. But let's hop on the computer real quick and check that out. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and go to uspto.gov. This is the United States United States Patent and Trademark Office. So we're going to go ahead and go to patents, search for patents, and then scroll down to patent number search. Again, the number on that hose is 9046201. We're going to go ahead and do a quick search, and you will see that the patent is owned by Schiffer Co. International, Peosta, Iowa. So again, guys, that is the parent company for Uberflex or ProPulse, and they are the ones that own the patent. So there you go. As you can tell, that hose is the same for the ProPulse, or sorry, the Uberflex by ProPulse, which is a Schiffer Co. brand. It's also the same exact hose on the Flexzilla and also on the Black Max. So I hope that helps, guys. Now you can see it is exactly the same hose because it's the exact same trademark number, all the same technology on that hose. Alrighty, guys, so there you have it. There's your proof. They are the same. So have confidence. Whichever one you get, they're going to both be fantastic. Yeah, just absolutely great hoses. I actually bought this Flexzilla. I was going to cut it open and try and prove both of these open and prove that it's the same internals and everything. But now that we have the patent number, I'm very happy because I don't have to cut it open. But you still have your proof. Both great hoses, both fantastic. Again, the Flexzilla is a little more expensive, but if you want that color option, then it's there for you. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alrighty, guys, time to give that cat pressure washer away. Here is the post that I did on my Instagram that I said go over there and like it. We're gonna go ahead. There's 183 comments, so I'm just gonna make sure that they will all load before doing this. So just give me a second. I'm just gonna scroll through to make sure that they're all loading. I want to give everyone a fair chance. Let's see here. Still going. Okay, it looks like that's it. So again, guys, I want to thank everyone who participated in this giveaway. Good luck to all of you. I'm gonna do this giveaway, sorry guys, and I'm just going to filter through, just like that, scroll through all these things and just pick one randomly. And then that will be our winner. So here we go. And the winner is, right here, if you guys can see, Offit Bill. It's cool. He actually, interesting. He actually commented twice, and I landed right in the middle of his too. Let's see here. His first comment was, "Saw your Toyota cleaning. Looked like quite a bit of work. Really nice when it was done. I think you can make a career out of this. LOL." And then the second one says, "I'm a Navy veteran, also a retired professional firefighter, so my humor is a little different than most people. Congratulations, Bill, and thanks so much for your service, man, on both fronts, Navy and firefighter. Congratulations. I'll comment on here, but also comment down below, and I'll get your information and we'll get that thing out to you. Congratulations. Everyone else, we do have more giveaways coming up, so make sure you like and subscribe, check out all our videos, and we will be doing more giveaways soon."